Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Anna. I am a portrait photographer in the Chicagoland area, and today we're going to be doing a Lensbaby inspired photo shoot. The Lensbaby lens that I'm trying to imitate is the Twist 60. This is the one that's going to give you a twisted bokeh and subtle vignette. This usually runs around $300, so I found a quick and easy way to do it in Photoshop. So I brought my friend and model Jean into my apartment and used a space background, and once we got a couple photos, this is what we did in Photoshop. The very first thing that you're going to do is duplicate the layer. One is going to be your subject and the other is going to be the background. Drag that background layer up on top and you're going to do filter, blur, radial blur. Radial blur is the only filter that you're going to need in order to create that Lensbaby effect, and you're going to see that it's going to be all over the image, and we do not want that. So the next thing that you're going to do is hit layer mask, and then you're going to grab the brush tool, make sure you are on the black selection, and draw over the area that you want to be in focus. So this is going to be the fun part of this image. You are then going to add a bunch of different space backgrounds and adjust the textures as needed. The filter panel, I usually use lighten or screen, especially because the stars are white. You're going to want to make sure that those two are the ones that you are selecting because this is going to make it the brightest. And then you are going to hit layer mask and use your brush to adjust the areas that don't need it. Remember that white reveals and black conceals. So if we're removing stuff, we want to make sure that we're using the black selection, so that way we are getting rid of stuff. Then I'm going to add a couple stardusts and stars near the moon because I want to make sure that it still looks like a space photo. And I'm going to make sure that some of it is removed from the hands, so it just looks like it's surrounding the moon. Again, we're going to do a bunch of different star effects, so I wanted to do sort of like a Saturn looking star cluster and then adjust as needed. Sometimes what happens is your transparent PNG that you are using has a gray or black background, so just going to get rid of that and make sure that it's not visible. And this should be the final result. This was a TikTok trend a little while back where you would use your TV screen as a backdrop. I personally really like this idea because it allows you to save a bunch of money instead of buying backdrops from a studio or from the photo store. But I would recommend that if you're planning on doing this, to have some RGB LED lights to help imitate the backdrop that you have. So obviously with my space one, it is very dark blue and purple, so I had my RGBs set to those types of lights so that way he looks like he actually fits into the background. But that is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button to get notified every single time I post a new video. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.